Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica, and today I'm going to be doing an ultimate organization of my pantry, my fridge, and my tea cabinet. As you can see, my pantry is very tiny, so it gets cluttered very easy. My fridge is completely trashed, and my tea cabinet is just a catch-all for whatever I decided to throw in there, I guess. Also, if you guys would please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a comment. I really appreciate it when you guys do that. The comments make my day. I absolutely love them. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started organizing. Okay everybody, I'm just going to start off by removing everything out of the pantry. And let me tell you, this whole process was exhausting. By the time I hit the bed, I couldn't even move. And with this channel being called The Relatable Mom, who else can relate to finding random toys inside random places? I just found a green alien inside of my pantry. Comment down below the most random place you found a toy.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been safe.
And this is everything I pulled out of the pantry, and now it's time to clean it. I'm going to be using the Lavender Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. Of course, like I said in my last video, it just smells like spring to me and I absolutely love it. So we like to keep our kids' snacks in just a basket, so when they come and ask for a snack, they can just run in and grab it themselves, and it works out really well. And now I'm just going to be putting on these labels that I made. I actually made these on paint. It was super easy. I'm going to be putting these on all the mason jars. I have things like nuts and seeds and oatmeal and things like that in these jars.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come.
And I really love how these turned out. I really wanted to go with a simple label, and it just turned out so cute.
I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need.
So now I'm just putting everything back into the pantry. Everything in the pantry is from Target except for this stand that I'm putting the cans on. That is actually from the Dollar Tree. And I didn't even use everything that I got.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you wanted me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing.
And now I'm just adding crackers and like little snack things into this basket, and this one is from Target. And here I'm going to be adding my baked goods like cake mix and things like that to this basket.
I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you're wanting me, but you're still holding back,
And that is done. You guys, this just looks so much better. It's so clean and so put together. I'm so happy with how it turned out.
Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
And now we're on to the dreaded fridge. Once again, I'm just going to be removing everything. I'm going to start with the inside of the fridge and then I will work my way to the door.
You can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
And this was just absolutely disgusting. I was so ready to get this clean. I am going to be using a mixture. This isn't Mrs. Meyer's, it's a Mrs. Meyer's bottle, but I put vinegar, a drop of dish soap, and some water in there, and it really got this nice and cleaned out for me. Just adding everything back to the fridge. This looks a million times better now. And everything that I'm using in the fridge, all the bowls and the organizers, they are all from the Dollar Tree. And they made everything look so fantastic and so clean.
All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to...
And the fridge is done on this side. I am so happy with how this turned out. It was absolutely amazing. And now I'm just cleaning out the door of the fridge. I once again removed everything out first. I find that makes it easier to just get it all out, clean it, and then put everything back in. That way you can go through what's expired, what's not.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. out of my mind.
And the fridge is done, you guys. It looks a million times better. I'm so happy with how it turned out.
I'll follow you.
And I ended up doing my tea cabinet off camera, but it looks so much better now. I wanted to show you guys what I ended up using some of these Dollar Tree bins for. They were amazing for my teas, and I do not have a problem with tea. This is my stuff from my Sips by boxes. I think this is 2 Sips by boxes put together, but it came with Earl Grey, Ginger Peach. That's upside down. That's gonna bother me. This is a green tea blend. I haven't tried this one yet. I tried the peach and it was really good. This one is a loose black tea. I haven't tried that one either. And then I've got a matcha latte infusion tea. And this is a southern mint herbal tea. And then with Sips by, and I'm not sponsored, but with Sips by, you get these little bags, and the outside one is a muslin bag, so you can reuse it, and then the ones inside have disposable, or the ones inside are disposable. I'm sorry guys, it's 1 a.m. and I am done. And that was everything. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a video. And I hope to see you guys here next time. Bye.